This drink that I'll be making for you guys is called the 1030. A little background on it. I used to, back in the day, go out with all my girlfriends at 10:30 at night. I don't know why, but that was the thing to do back in the 90s. So I named this drink 1030. I hope you guys enjoy it. So here we go. It takes 1 shot of gin, any gin of your, any gin you like. I'm using Tanqueray right now. And then it takes 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. There we go. And 1 egg white. There we go. All of this goes into your shaker. And lemon juice. That's to kill any bacteria that may be in the egg whites. So it basically cooks the egg in the shaker when you shake it. I'm gonna put a little more because I really like lemon juice. So we're gonna do a dry shake first. There you go. Make sure it's on nice and tight. Nice dry shake. And then after you do that, we're going to fill it with some ice. There we go. And then second part of the drink, we're going to add 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2. And then we are going to add our flavors. We're going to go with 6 drops of the Capella Italian Lemon Sicily. And then we're going with Vanilla Whipped Cream by Capella. We're going to go with about 2 to 3 drops. Okay. And then the last flavor, well, it's a sweetener. TFA sweetener. Depending on how sweet you want it, I'm going with about 4 drops. If you want it sweeter, add some more drops when you're done. But that's that, and that's it for the drink. We're gonna shake it up and pour it into our glass. I'm going to rim this glass with sugar. So here we go, just like that. And sugar. This is also a nice refreshing drink for the summer. And now we're gonna shake it up. There we go. This drink, you wanna put the ice in the drink. There you go. And you have your 1030. Cheers. This drink. There we go.